How to enable dark mode on YouTube app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable dark mode on your YouTube app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to open up your YouTube. Now for some, there will be a themes page or themes option on your YouTube app itself. To find it, head over to your bottom right corner on your profile. Tap on the settings icon on the top right, and from here you can find the theme channel theme option or appearance option. If you don't find it, you can also go to your general, then go to appearance. After that, tap on the dark theme option, or you can use the device theme and change your entire device's theme or mode to dark. And doing that will also change your YouTube's appearance to dark. But let's not do that. Let me change this back to normal and then choose the dark theme. And there we go. Now you can use your YouTube in dark mode. That's how you enable. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.